In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Copilot in Outlook in the easiest way possible. If you've been wondering how to get the Copilot button to appear inside Outlook, or why it may not be showing up yet, this tutorial will walk you through the exact requirements and the simple setup steps you need to know. This is especially useful if you want to save time writing emails, drafting replies, and working faster inside your inbox. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, the most important thing to understand is that Copilot in Outlook is not available to every account automatically. You need to have either a Copilot Pro subscription or a commercial Copilot license assigned to your account. So before you look for the button inside Outlook, make sure your account is actually eligible. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may need to assign the license to you. If you're using a personal setup, you'll need the correct Copilot Pro subscription connected to the account you use in Microsoft Office. Once your subscription or license is active, the next step is to make sure you're using the new Outlook experience. Copilot appears in the ribbon in New Outlook for Windows, Mac, and the web version of Outlook when you're creating or replying to emails. That means if you're still in an older version of Outlook, you may not see the Copilot tools yet. So check that you're on the new Outlook interface before you continue. After that, make sure your Office apps are fully updated to the latest build. This step is very important because Copilot features often depend on the newest updates from Microsoft. If your app is outdated, the Copilot icon may not appear even if your license is correct. To update, open your Microsoft Office application settings and look for the Update option, then install any available updates. After updating, restart Outlook so it can reload the new features properly. Now open Outlook and go to your Email Compose window. You can either start a brand new message or reply to an existing email. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the Copilot icon in the ribbon while composing your email. This is where Copilot can help you draft a message, rewrite text, or assist with your response workflow depending on what Microsoft has enabled for your account. If you don't see the Copilot icon right away, don't panic. First, double-check that your license is assigned correctly. Then confirm that you're in New Outlook, not the Classic version. After that, verify that your Office apps are updated. In most cases, one of these three things is the reason Copilot isn't showing up. Once those requirements are in place, the icon should appear automatically. So the process is really simple. Make sure you have a Copilot Pro or commercial subscription, use New Outlook, and update your Office apps to the latest version. After that, Copilot should be ready to use inside your Outlook ribbon when you create or reply to emails. If this tutorial helped you out, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.